What's going on, Ghost Squad? Trey here, the Ghost Tactical. Well, we had another fun shoot today at my local range here in Heber Springs, Arkansas. We had some good friends come out and shoot. They brought their wives or girlfriends, and we had a really good time shooting out there. We shot a bunch of different drills and worked on different maneuvers, worked on precision stuff, worked on the draw, worked on a lot of different things. So I hope you enjoy the fun shoot that we had today. We had a good buddy of ours from YouTube, Lance, you know him as Off the X, and go check him out on YouTube and on Instagram. He's over there. And Kagan over here, he's over on Instagram and is thinking about starting up a YouTube channel. So he's a former Marine and young man who's really enthusiastic about shooting, so we're glad that he got out here. And then of course we have our good old buddy Buck Stanley. You guys know him on YouTube as Gun-Loving Grandpa Stanley. So Buck came out and shot with us for a while and actually shot the drill of the month right here with me. So that was interesting. We had a lot of people out here shooting. Like I said, we had girlfriends and wives out here, and it was kind of fun to see them getting into shooting a little bit more possibly, and watching them have a good time shooting as well. So like I said, enjoy the drills. We had some fun. Three, C, 8, G, 7, L, J, 12, B, 5, 10, F. Good shooting. Good shooting.
G, D, F, 7, 5, L, 12, B, A, 9, C, K,
Well guys, I really hope you enjoyed watching this. If you're ever in the north central Arkansas area and you ever want to come shoot with me, just let me know. You can always email me and I'd love to shoot with you. To check out some more videos about what we do on their fun shoots and all that, go check them out over here on the right. Remember, train often, train safely, and be a warrior. Until next time, Semper Fi.